The sun rises over a lush meadow, casting a warm glow. Soft sounds of nature fill the air. Two butterflies, Ruby and Jasper, emerge from their chrysalises, stretching their delicate wings. Ruby, excitedly. Good morning, Jasper. Isn't this meadow just breathtaking? Jasper, admiring the scenery. Indeed, Ruby. It's like a painting come to life. Ruby and Jasper flutter their wings tentatively, practicing their flight skills. They glide through the air, giggling as they loop and twirl Ruby, encouragingly. You're doing great, Jasper. Just keep flapping those wings. Jasper, determined. Thanks, Ruby. I won't give up. They continue to practice, their confidence growing with each graceful maneuver. Ruby and Jasper land on a vibrant flower, their wings shimmering in the sunlight. They delicately sip nectar, their antennae twitching with joy. Ruby, contentedly. Ah, the sweet taste of nectar. Isn't it divine? Jasper, nodding. Absolutely, Ruby. And look at us, pollinating as we dance from flower to flower. They perform a mesmerizing dance, transferring pollen from one bloom to another, ensuring the meadow blooms with vibrant colors. Dark clouds gather overhead as a sudden storm rolls in. Ruby and Jasper struggle against the strong winds and rain, their wings battered. Ruby, shouting over the wind. Jasper, we need to find shelter. Jasper, struggling. I'm trying, Ruby. Hold on tight. They cling to each other, seeking refuge beneath a sturdy leaf until the storm passes, emerging stronger and more resilient. The storm clouds part, revealing a rainbow arching across the sky. Ruby and Jasper emerge from their shelter, their wings glistening with raindrops. Ruby, smiling. Look, Jasper, a rainbow! Jasper, awestruck. It's beautiful, just like you. Ruby, they take flight once more, soaring higher than ever before, their love and friendship guiding them through life's ups and downs. As the sun sets, casting a golden hue over the meadow, Ruby and Jasper land softly on a flower, their wings folded together in a loving embrace. Ruby, softly. Thank you for always being there for me, Jasper. Jasper, tenderly. And thank you for being my wings when I needed to fly. Settling in for the night, their hearts fluttering in perfect harmony. The scene fades to black as the sounds of the meadow lull them to sleep, a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature's creations. So goodbye, dear friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoons.